Yeah. So, good morning to all of you and welcome to this inaugural session of 83rd batch. We are now from Delhi chapter. We are starting off the classes today and these contact sessions will go on. Almost every week something will be there and till December end or so. My name is YN Kaushal. I am the coordinator of diploma activity for the Delhi chapter. And here with me are my colleagues. Mr. Mukesh Jain is the chairman of the Delhi chapter, and he is the one who is leading the Delhi chapter for a lot of good work which has been going on in the last 2.5 or 3 years or so. Right, and I also welcome Dr. Avinash Joshi. Avinash Joshi is the director of, ISTD. So he is at the national headquarters, and he is in fact the day to day, every day he is the one who is actually steering the activities of ISTD forward. And in fact he is already there in his office, which is the headquarter office, right? So the commitment of the ISTD people, you can really see how this way this society is working. This society essentially is a society of volunteers. So the people, members who are there are actually spending their time and making an effort to see that how ISTD, Indian Society of Training and Development, can create a very good training and development environment in the in the country, and it has been in existence for 50 years, and it just celebrated the golden jubilee early this year. So we have been in existence for 50 years, and the strength of this society is that almost every person who has made some contribution to training and development has actually been a member of ISTD. So our intellectual capital is very, very high. However, we have challenges and which happen anywhere when it is a sort of a society, and there can be issues which can be in terms of governance, etc. So we do tackle all those issues. Issues come, but we tackle all those problems and we move forward. And you can see that your batch is 83rd batch. 83rd batch means already 82 batches have gone on earlier. Many of the people have completed their diploma, have got the diploma certificates, and this has been well recognized in the industry that yes. And in fact, sometimes you see that if you have been working somewhere, one of your senior person may say, you go ahead and do a diploma from ISTD, right? So that has been the right type of. So as we go ahead, you will come to know a lot about the society. Also, we will keep giving you, cutting edge, say, knowledge in the area of training and development, right? So at the start, what I'll do is I'll also introduce. We also have our office executive, Mr. Arun Kumar, with us. We also have, the host of this is Alok Agarwal, who is an IT expert and has been also a faculty for Facebook, on Facebook, and for digital marketing. So we have, such people who are supporting our activity. So at this point, what I'll do is I'll request Mr. Mukesh Jain to say a few words and welcome the group.
A very good morning, and thank you, Kaushal Saab, for giving me this opportunity to interact with the fresh batch of 83rd batch of ISTD diploma. Thank you, Joshi Saab, for coming and joining us, because you are a very, very important person for not only the Delhi chapter, but all India, and especially for students, because after your joining the ISTD diploma, a lot of good initiatives are being taken by you in diploma, and I am sure these initiatives will be benefited for the students. So I welcome all the students of diploma batch 83rd batch of diploma, and I can tell you that you are in a very, very highly accomplished organization ISTD. We are having more than 8,000 members, and all more thing will tell you by Dr. Joshi, who's the director here. But I am telling you ki our faculty are very, very good, and it is appreciated by all India basis, and you are in safe hands. We will try to fulfill all your requirements during these contact classes. Otherwise, you are always invited to give your suggestions, tell about your problems to Mr. Kaushal and other faculty members. All faculty members are very senior here, so you will be benefited out of it. But at the same time, we need your full cooperation and support in running the diploma classes and otherwise also. So this is my point of view. Mr. Joshi will tell you about more about ISTD. Delhi chapter is having around 675 members. It is 50 years old. Recently, on 10th of April 2020, we have celebrated our Golden Jubilee year. So Delhi chapter is 50 years old as our ISTD. So we are trying to do a lot of good things, and we are inviting all our students, whether it is 82nd batch or 76th batch. We are sending invitation to all the students to participate in our programs so that they are benefited. And I'll tell you, recently around 31 students have taken membership of ISTD, and out of 32, two members have gone to National Council of ISTD. The National Council is the highest body of ISTD, so they reach to that category also. So I would request all of you to start pursuing the diploma, but at the same time, I invite you to take the membership of ISTD also. So thank you very much, and I wish you all the best for your endeavor. And we are all with you and will support you in all possible manner. And we need your suggestion time to time. Thank you very much, and have a very good day, and very purposeful and useful learning. Thank you very much, and all the best to you.
Thank you, Jansa. I now invite Dr. Joshi to say a few words and about diploma. Also, welcome the our students. Incidentally, we have people from Chandigarh chapter, etc., also over here. So it is not just a Delhi chapter thing, right? Okay. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Thank you, Kaushal Saab, and thank you, Mukesh Janji, for the eloquent words they have used for me. I'm really grateful to them for inviting me to this session. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome all the students of Diploma of 83rd batch to this session. Indeed, let me tell you that Delhi chapter has always taken the initiative during the COVID times. In fact, this diploma program has also undergone a lot of changes, and we have really been working on it, how to make this program more and more valuable and interactive, and also to give more and more opportunity to the students for upgrading their knowledge and skills. I'm really thankful to Mr. Jain and Mr. Kaushal. So at this juncture, students, let me welcome you all from Chandigarh chapter and from whichever chapter you are. In fact, let me share some statistics with you that initially when we started preparing for making this diploma program online, there were a lot of challenges as we have around 20 chapters where the students are coming from. Delhi is of course leading. After that we have Chennai chapter, then Bangalore chapter, then Pune, Gurgaon, Noida. Some 6-7 chapters in fact are taking classes as of date. When we started during COVID times, then also 6-7 chapters took the initiative and lead, and they have started taking up the classes. So the students may have some issues which chapter to join. In fact, this is a bit challenging for all of us also to suggest and guide, but students have the option to choose the faculty which they like the most. Maybe initially they may have some issues, but of course it is up to them to appreciate, to interact with the faculties, because all our faculties are very, very learned and having a very, very long background of training and development. They have a very rich and diverse experience, and not only classroom experience, but also in the field. A lot of the faculty members are from the corporates and from the academia as well. So you can just go through the background of the faculty. You can see the profile, and accordingly you can choose. Delhi chapter, of course, is our leading chapter, and the faculty, of course, is excellent. As I can see that 51 participants have already joined. So that is really heartening to all of us. Let me assure you, there may be problems because we are undergoing a phase where we are not only, we have gone or this diploma program has become online, but certain technical issues are also because our server at the NHQ has limited capability and capacity. So we are in the process of upgrading. So it may take some time. You may have some problem in uploading of our the videos, which you can see later on. So there may be certain issues where you may find difficulty, you may get irritated. Please bear with us. We are with you in all these situations. And I'm very sure that this program has been upgraded to a PG program, which of course will be in the interest of the students. We are also trying to upgrade the courses. May not be, everything will be done in, we are doing things, upgrading things step by step. And core committee is already working on various aspects of enriching and value adding to the courses, the content and all that. So very soon you will be finding new and new additions to your course curriculum, which we are sure will be beneficial to you. At this juncture, I wish all the best to all of you and hope that all of you will bring laurels to ISTD, and we will have a very, very fruitful and successful association with all of you. All the very best. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Joshi. In fact, Dr. Joshi has been the leading on this entire even the just now in August we completed the examinations, and for the first time the examinations were online. And Dr. Joshi, this brings us a big challenge because well, great opportunity as well as big challenge in the sense about. I have earlier talked to you that we have now moved beyond, the boundaries of the country. And one of the challenges that is coming is that one of our candidate, our student is in Dubai, and his preference is that the classes should not be on Sunday because Sunday is a working day for them. And also in terms of sort of, so I would also be looking forward to discussing with you that how we can really create something like an international channel, right? International sort of this thing. For example, like BBC has a local service, then they have an overseas service.
Overseas.
You know, like this. Similarly, we'll also have to look at this as we keep getting enrollment from various other places. So that's this sort of new challenges are coming, and it's also bringing us new opportunities, right? Arun, can you unmute yourself and show yourself? We would like to. You will be the key person in serving our students and also in communicating all the things. Yeah. I don't speak up something for a while. And yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone. Hi sir. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, sir. Sir, I am Arun from ICD Delhi chapter. If any program over there as per the course related issues, so please contact me.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
yes.
Okay. Right. Good. He will be one person with whom you will be communicating perhaps the most, because he is the one who sorts out all the issues in terms of sort of your connectivity or links, etc. I would also invite Alok Agarwal to welcome this and say a few things. We should. Yeah. Alok, can you? Yeah.
Very good morning, everyone. Welcome to this exciting session. And I believe that we will leave no stone unturned to have these classes seamlessly. Best of luck for the courses.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much. Now I would, request our participants to speak up and introduce themselves. In fact, we would like to have that sort of, thing for, yeah. So to make the process, a little smooth, I would like people to raise their hands so that we can really then have it one by one. Yeah. So let's begin with Sachin Arora. Sachin Arora, please unmute yourself. And
yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah.
And thank you very much, Kaushal sir, for organizing this session today. In fact, as I said, we were really waiting for the Delhi chapter to start the classes, and I'm really happy to be in this session. And thank you, Mr. Jan, for giving us a nice introduction of the Delhi chapter. So we got to know more about the Delhi chapter, how it is working, and also it was great to know from Dr. Joshi about the evolution which this course has been through in the COVID times, how we managed to do it online. And of course, it was good to see Arun also, because as you said, he will be the one with whom we will be coordinating the most.
Okay.
And Mr. Alok also.
Sachin,
so
tell us about yourself.
Yeah. So basically, I am from the training and development domain. I started my career in 2007, and currently I am working in a Swiss-based elevator and escalator company. And I was actually planning to join this course from the last 2 years, but for some reason or the another, I could not join. But finally, I am here, and I'm very happy and I hope to have a good learning experience from all the learned faculty from ISTD. So thank you very much for that.
Is it difficult to keep your video on?
Sir, actually, I am on mobile hotspot, so I don't think my bandwidth will support video. Yes,
no problem.
So that's the reason.
Because students always love to understand each other also. Because
yes, correct.
Many of you are going to participate, and as you contribute to the debate discussions in the classes, there will be a lot of learning from each other also. Right.
Agree, sir.
Okay.
Agree. Thank you.
Can we have Suvidhi? Suvidhi, please go ahead and also unmute yourself and
Namaskar to everybody. Hello, Mukesh, Kaushal sir, Joshi sir. Thanks for a warm welcome. I'm from Jaipur. So my first thing to introduce myself, the first thought that I have is everyone to know that I'm a fresher. So because I have attended other classes and they're like, you already know this, and I already don't know anything. I'm a fresher, we need to start fresh. That's how it should be. So I have done my post-graduation in human resource and service management. My graduation goes to psychology honors from Rajasthan University. And I look forward for this course because in the when people ask what you want to be 5 years down the lane, so I want to be a trainer and a soft skill trainer. So to continue with that, and looking at the pandemics, my parents are not allowing me to move out, so I can learn from here and I can start it sooner. So that's why I'm here, and I hope that it will be a great journey for all of us. Thank you.
Okay. So Viti, I can assure you that we always have had, this diversity of the students. And diversity means there will be some freshers, and there are also, let me tell you, people who have actually retired and now want to do this thing. So we have such people also. We do, our faculty does take care of this and make sure that this is useful for everyone. Okay. Samir Sahu, can we have you? Yeah.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, hi, good morning, sir. I am Samir. I am from Bhubaneswar. So I have overall of 15 years of industry experience. I have worked in banking and HR consulting companies. So presently I am working with IMI, Bhubaneswar, as a training and placement officer. Okay, so Delhi is obviously you must be knowing it is in the same vicinity of ISTD. So I am working in IMI Bhubaneswar, handling the placement and training for the students. So since last 2 years, I was planning to do this course, but so this year, so I finalized, and I hope I get a good learning and I will implement it in my work.
Surely. Good. Welcome. In fact, one of your senior colleagues from IMI Delhi is going to be conducting the session at 2 o'clock, Mr. G.K. Agarwal, who has spent, so he was, a professor, senior professor at IMI Delhi, and then he retired from there, right? Okay. Nina Charles, ma'am, can you unmute and be there? Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Nina and I'm from the Bangalore chapter, and I've got 7 years of work experience, and currently I'm working as a senior lead learning and development for Fidelity. And I'm really excited to learn and unlearn a lot of new things because it's a new venture for me into training and development. Again, as a fresher, I'm starting again as a fresher, but it's a lot of learning. So thank you all very much for having me a part of your team.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Somendra, I'm not able to read the
Somendra Suman.
Very
good morning, all. Sir, very good morning, all. I am Somendra Suman. Currently, I am associated with the Himalaya Baby Care as a repair training manager based on Delhi. I have more than 17 years of experience, out of which last 3 years into training and development. More than 15 years into sales and marketing with very like one like FMCG, retail, institutional sale, modern trade, company like Hindustan Paper and all. So I done my basic in organic chemistry, pursued MBA in marketing and human resource development, and now I am looking forward to diploma in IST. Thank you.
Right. Okay, welcome. Mahashweta. Yeah.
Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahashweta. I'm from Visakhapatnam chapter, and I completed my master's in human resource management last year from Visakhapatnam itself, from Andhra University, and I got placed into Ultratech Cement as a management trainee HR. So after a year, I got confirmed as assistant manager HR. I'm currently looking after learning and development in Ultratech Cement. And thank you so much for having me here. And I hope the learning is going to be great. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for joining this diploma. Right. Thank you. Pradeep Kumar, Mr. Pradeep Kumar.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for being here. I have experience of 17 plus years, and for the past 5 years, I'm working as a team leader in one of the MNCs, where prime responsibility is to train the new hires. just like others, I was also thinking of doing this course, but was not sure whether this is really helpful or not. But during the COVID situation, I realized that whether like June deadline has been passed, but later I realized that it's extended till 15th of September. Yeah. And I realized that this is the right time, because you have plenty of time, you're not moving outside, and you can definitely enhance your skill set. This is my second such interaction, because I attended Noida chapter last week, and good to see a lot of experience will be shared during this journey. And I'm sure all the participants will also share their experience, will make overall experience quite rich and helpful to learn more about training and development needs. Thank you very much.
Right. Thank you. Welcome. Priyanka Chauhan.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Priyanka Chauhan. I'm basically from Agra, and I enrolled myself for Delhi chapter. So, talking about my professional experience, I started my career in 2006, and since then I've been working. In 2008, I joined training and development. I started my career as a facilitator with Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company, and since 2008, I have been working as a facilitator. So I have completed around 12 years into this, learning and development domain, and I'm feeling really very happy to be a part of this course, because I've been thinking to join this for past 6 or 7 years, but every time the only concern was the time. So I think that everything has some positive aspects toward us with COVID. And herein I got a lot of time so that I can devote my time actually in a productive way. And this is my third session. I have attended Mumbai chapter also. I have attended Noida, and I've been a part of this Delhi chapter also. So thank you so much, everyone. It was nice the way you welcome us and the way you enlightened us. I'm sure we will learn a lot of things. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. Now I would request Mr. Gurmail Singh to introduce himself. Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I joined through the Chandigarh chapter. Actually, I am working in Ambala city. Okay. I work in the State of India, and life insurance has been my domain for the last 30 years. Right now, we have a field force training center in Ambala Center. I'm heading it as principal. So okay. I thought I should get the proper inputs now that the posting is demanding that I should understand the training field also. So I look forward to a lot of learning experience with all of you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. We will keep looking at your contribution in the debate discussions also, because a lot of learning comes from each other also. In fact, in the previous batch, we had a chief general manager of learning and development from Indian Oil. So she is also one of our students. So from such people we have a lot of learning also. So your practical sort of issues and practical experience will be very useful. So please make sure that you also share your perspective around the topics on which when you are attending the session, right? Okay, thank you. Right, welcome. Yeah, Mr. Kunal Sikri. Mr. Kunal Sikri, if unmute yourself and come forward. Yeah. Yes. If there is any problem, we can come back to you, Kunal. Okay. Can I ask Chandrakant? Kunal, we are not able to see your video, and your voice is also not coming. Okay, try, attempt. Yeah, okay. We can see you.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I am from Delhi. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning. Yes.
I've been working into training and development for the past 10 years. Currently, I'm working with Housing.com as a training and development head for Delhi NCR division.
Okay.
So I've been looking at this course for past, I would say, 7-8 years now. I wanted to join in 2012, but due to various reasons, it got postponed. So, but due to COVID, we realized that there is something we can do now. So we had the time and there was an opportunity, so I just took it.
ओके गुड। ये तो ऐसे हो गया जैसे क्या कहते हैं, कई बार होता है ना कि क्या कहते हैं माता वैष्णो देवी के जाएंगे और जब तक उसमें टाइम नहीं आता तब तक जा नहीं पाते। चलिए ठीक है, गुड गुड टू वेलकम, राइट। राघवेंद्र।
Namaste all.
Yeah.
I'm Raghavendra.
Yeah.
I'm Raghavendra, currently working with Rockman Industries at Vadodara, Gujarat.
Okay.
And overall, I have around 10 years of experience. And for this course, I'm inspired with my HR head. He has done this course 20 years back. And he suggested me this course to complete your learning in L&D division. So I'm looking forward for learning from your great peoples. And I hope with this, it will help in my career and for my self-development also. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Welcome. In fact, as I was telling you, many times it is the bosses or the senior people in the organization will say कि भाई आगे learning and development में जाना है तो ये वाला diploma जरूर कर लो, right? Okay, so that shows from where the recommendation really comes. Okay, Pawan Mishra. Yeah.
Good morning to all seniors and participants with me. I am with 14 years of core HR and IR experience in the industry. I've been to companies like Aditya Birla Group, Reliance Industries, and now with Bisleri. Heading actually as a head HR, I'm taking care of the entire North Zone. Here because as I've been to a part where I was used to handle HRD, TND, L&D functions in all the organizations with different names. But now as the era is moved from HRD to the trainings of business base. So I would like to know the new concept that how we could link business and support business through L&D, and how that could come with a ROI, what actually could be justified to the business. So some new things I'm here to learn.
In fact, paper 1 will be doing that, plus also paper 7 will be about evaluating the training and development function, right? And individual events also. So it will be certainly very useful to you, right? There is one Mr. Rick. What's his full name? I don't know, but can I request Rick to unmute and introduce himself? So
good morning, everyone. This is Momita. My Zoom profile is saved as Rick. So I'm working. Yeah. So I'm working with Aditya Birla Group. I'm recently posted at Kolkata. I'm attending this from Kolkata chapter. So I have almost nine years of experience, and to attend this course, the purpose is to strengthen my core competency, that is learning and development, to explore the tools, techniques, and the purpose of ROI. So that is what I'm looking forward from this course.
Very good, very good. Thank you and welcome. Soumya Shrivastava. Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Soumya Shrivastava from Sunbeam Group, and I'm having 6+ years of experience in this field of learning and development. And the purpose behind joining ISTD is to upgrade my skills and to become a good trainer in future.
Right. Okay. Welcome. Right. Thank you. Yogesh Mehta.
Chapter or Gurgaon chapter?
Anji? Okay.
He's from Delhi chapter or Gurgaon chapter?
Soumya ji?
I'm from Delhi chapter.
Okay. Good. Right. Yogesh Mehta ji?
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Good morning, seniors. And good morning, everyone. I'm Yogesh Mehta from Delhi, and I have 4 to 5 years of experience. Is it audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I have like total of 17 years of experience. I'm working in Himalaya Drug Company as a zonal training manager from the last 4.5 years. And past being a trainer, I was into sales, high FMCG sales. So moved on to training and my boss suggested me that this course is very good and top-notch people are there. So why don't you join this and upgrade your skills? So he pushed me, and moreover, my team, my colleagues are also there in the same batch from Delhi. And plus we are, I think, 6 to 7 people are there already because of my senior. They are all to, in fact, we are here and looking forward to become a better trainer in future, sir. So, thank you very much, sir. It's an honor.
You are from Bangalore chapter or Delhi chapter?
Sir, we have Bangalore chapter as well. We have Delhi chapter as well. Mr. Somendra Suman is already there, and he's my colleague. And one or more people from Lucknow is there, Mr. Chitendra Kesarwani. So we have 4, 5, 6 people from Himalaya Company, sir.
No. But you are from Bangalore chapter.
I'm from Delhi, sir. I'm basically I'm posting up in Faridabad, like residing in Faridabad, but from Delhi chapter only, sir.
Right. Good. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
I would like Chandrakant. Is that Chandrakant or Chandrakanta? Yeah, if you can unmute yourself and come forward. Yeah.
Hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, I can now see your full name, Chandrakant Joshi. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm Chandrakant Joshi. I'm basically from Nagpur. And I'm having a total experience of around 14 years in training and development. And I'm working currently with one of the pharmaceutical company here at Nagpur, sir, in Karad Labs Private Limited. Prior to that, I have worked with the organization like Ajanta, Midley, Dr. Reddy for the role of as a trainer.
Right. Okay. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Suma from Hyderabad. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Good morning, everyone, and
good morning.
Faculty. I'm Suma from Hyderabad chapter. I'm working with Cognizant Technology Solutions. And my friends, my husband, and my colleagues have recommended this program. My husband was part of 2012 batch. So they strongly recommended this program to me because I'm aspiring to become a learning specialist down the line in 5 years. So thank you so much for doing this on the virtual mode. And I really appreciate all your efforts for doing this in the virtual mode.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Welcome. Dhananjay Subramaniam. Yeah. Dhananjay, please go ahead. Unmute yourself and speak up also. You have written on the chat, but I would like you to come forward if you can. Okay. We don't have a response there. Yeah. Dhananjay. Yeah.
This is Dhananjay Subramaniam. I'm management trainee with Club Mahindra. And I actually wanted to join this course because I wanted to become a part of the HR and be more involved with the training of people because I'm more comfortable working with people. So that was the reason, and this suggestion of joining the ISTD course came from my mother, who had actually this course way back in about 30 years back, though she was not completed, but she was the one who suggested that I should take it up, and it's a very nice and useful course because she had gone through the thing about 30 years back. I'm from the Delhi chapter, and though I have been attending the other sessions which have been launched much before in by the other chapters, but it is going to be a great learning experience for me, as I have not been. I'm a very fresh person in this particular field.
Okay, welcome. This is one of the, totally new, this thing that your mother has inspired you or suggested that you should do it. I would request Ms. LCS Naidu to come forward because he has to leave for some other work. He or she, I'm not able to really say.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
Very good morning to you, sir, and a very good morning to all dear fellow batchmates. Sir, I'm LCS Naidu, an Army officer. I've put in nearly 30 years of service in Indian Army. Presently based in Coimbatore, and got another 2 more years for my retirement. Otherwise, I belong to Vizag in Andhra Pradesh, and never been into this field of training and development, but somehow have a passion for it. In the year 2018, while I was there on deputation to the government of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, that's the time I came in a newspaper ad pertaining to ISTD. I kept the clip of that ad with me till date. And I decided at that point in time that prior 2 years to retirement, I will get into it, take my professional learning from the best of the experts, and thereafter, once I go into Vizag, and try to apply it to the best what I can. So keeping that in mind, I have joined now while being in Coimbatore, sir. So this is my little input from my side.
Just to tell you, one of the Air Force very senior officer who is retired as Air Vice Marshal, he is also our student in the earlier batch. So you can really see that we always have good participation from the Army people also, Army, Air Force, and Navy people also. Right.
Thank you very much. Otherwise, I've chose Chennai chapter, keeping the proximity, sir, as a student of Chennai chapter, just for an update, sir.
Fine. Okay, welcome. Right. So, Swarnima, Swarnima Gauhane. Yeah. Swarnima. Okay. See now, because I will not be able to really remember who has come, or because I don't have a list. I would like people who have not been able to come forward to raise their hand so that I can then invite them, or So who would like to go forward now? And right now I am requesting Swarnima to come forward. I have no response from her, so I would request Ritika Gupta to go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Ritika Gupta and I am from Jaipur chapter. Although I am working as a content writer from last 5 years, but my desire to become trainer and work in this field made me to join this course, and I'm very happy to be part of this course, and I'm seeing myself as a good trainer in the upcoming 5 years. So,
okay,
thank you.
Good. Thank you, Ritika. Okay, Sanjay Agarwal.
And I've been suggested by...
Yeah, please go ahead. Complete it, Ritika. You have been suggested by whom? Very interesting.
One of my seniors, he seriously insisted me, Ritika, go for this course and your life will going to change. So he pursued me, you go for this course. So I decided actually I was scrolling and I was searching about this course from long, but he insisted me, Ritika, go for this course if you want to be a trainer. So,
right. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome. Mr. Sanjay Agarwal, please go ahead. You are mute. So unmute yourself, Sanjay. Yeah.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, you are. Yeah.
Morning to each one of you. I am a soldier by profession. Name says Colonel Sanjay Agarwal, with over 30 years of experience.
Yes.
And I had enrolled myself for the 70th batch, but somehow because of my job commitments, mainly in the field, I could not pursue it at that point of time. So I have re-enrolled myself now for this batch.
Okay.
And as we all say that unlearning and learning, the process should go on. So I'm here to unlearn and relearn myself and prepare myself to re-attire when I finally hang my uniform August 21 next year.
Right. Okay.
And looking forward for a good experience, learning experience, and a good interaction with all the batchmates and learning from the faculty.
Right. Okay, welcome, Sanjay. Manali Gupta.
Yes, sir. A very good morning to you and to everyone.
I
am Manali Gupta, and currently I am working with Himalaya Baby Care as a business development manager. And I am very fascinated for learning and development. And one of my trainer, Mr. Soumendra Suman, who's also joined along with me this course. He has suggested me, seeing my passion towards training and development. So he suggested me to join this course. So I have joined along with him only, and looking forward for great learning from faculty and peers. So the purpose of joining this course is to polish my competencies into L&D and to build my career into training and development. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Thank you very much, Manali. Okay, Pankaj Sharma.
Yeah, hi, good morning to all. Am I audible?
Good morning.
Yes. Yeah, hi. So my name is Pankaj Sharma. I am from Delhi batch and working with Hero Mind organization, and working, having a total experience of 20 years. Out of that, around 16 years into trainings only. So many of my friends, they have already done this course from ISTD. So they have suggested me, Pankaj, I mean, you are quite old in this industry, but not having any diploma. So this course will certainly help you out in your career. So this is why I have joined this course. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, Pankaj. I would like to, invite Marvin. Marvin, you are based where?
Sir, my roots go to Kerala.
Yeah. Okay.
My roots go to Kerala, but right now I'm working in Dubai.
Yeah. That's what I was interested more in knowing, because you have a challenge in attending Sunday programs, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Introduce yourself about your background and yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So obviously you can see my name over there, Mebin Isaac John. So coming to the reason why I choose this program was a lack of seriousness in my profession, because I'm not a trainer by my background, background study which I have done. What I have done is MBA with sales experience, and I have 4 years of sales experience too, but I was not interested in training until I had tried 1 year in teaching English. So teaching English paved me the path towards training and that experience where the students, laugh at your jokes and you enjoy that central stage. And then you, at the end of the day, when they say that thanks, and that's what I thought, like, fine, training is a very interesting field. And so I thought, like, fine, let me enter this. And when I got a job of an executive trainer in a company, now my supervisor said, like, fine, you have that zeal in you to be a trainer, but you lack seriousness in the job. You lack stuff in your job. So that's why they were like, fine, you do a diploma, because that will learn you, that will teach you how to train and what are the things, how to do a training identification and things like that.
Good. I think you bring a good perspective in the sense that, trainer is not just an entertainer. His training should be interesting, but he's not the entertainer, right? And training is a very serious business, because at the end of it, your sponsor or your customer or your client is always asking, what is the result? What is the benefit? What is the ROI? And things like that. So you have to have that challenge. Okay, thank you very much. We'll also see how we can really, make things available to you so that they are available on Saturday and maybe sometime from the other chapters, and so that you can really continue your journey of learning without a problem. Right? Okay, I'm aware of your challenge, because we are beginning to do, and I'm getting more like, preference for Sunday classes from the majority of the students. So we'll see how we can really, serve you also, right? And provide you the opportunity to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Rupesh Rai. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon to all of you. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
very good afternoon to all of you. I am Rupesh Rai, and I'm from Noida chapter. And I have experience of around 20 plus years in HR and admin domain. Currently, I'm working with a logistic company corporate in Gurgaon. And I imparted training. I'm a certified NLP trainer also, NLP practitioner, you can say.
Okay.
And
right.
I write articles and books. Last month I released my book, first book in Hindi.
Wow, very good.
So I wanted to join this course 3-4 years back, but due to some commitment and work, so I could not join.
Okay.
So
right.
Fortunately, this year I have joined this. So I'm looking forward to great learning from this ISTD. Thanks.
Welcome, Mr. Rupesh Rai. And in fact, you see, you will learn about like your accomplishment. You will see that many of our other participants also have great accomplishments to their credit, right? Okay, welcome. Manisha Chadda.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, please go ahead.
This is Manisha. Being a pilot's daughter, hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, you are.
Thank you. So this is Manisha, and being an HR profession and almost having an experience of 10 to 12 years in sales, marketing, and HR. Now, currently, I'm freelancing and looking forward for a great learning and professional guidance from here. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Welcome, Manisha. Thank you. PC Nanda.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all.
Yeah.
This is PC Nanda here from Montreal. Sir, I am from Bhubaneswar chapter, and since last 10 years I have been working in construction sector. So, as a being in a construction field, I used to move from place to place. Okay. So, in my job profile, training is a part. I haven't ever worked as a trainer. I have been executing the training sessions from workman level to higher level since last 10 years. So what I felt, training and development plays a crucial part for the development of the human resources as well as the company itself. That's why I decided to make a case finally in the training and development. That's why I joined in ISTD. I saw my senior officers is having also course in this ISTD. They have completed there. From there, I inspired. Okay. One more thing I want to discuss with you. Right now, I am in Mauritius, but same problem I face like a colleague is in Dubai. Okay. Sometimes I use, though I am in a field, so we work in remote areas. Sometimes my network doesn't work. Last Sunday, I tried a lot to join the Joypur session, but I could not. Okay, due to the network. So, is it possible that ISTD actually provide the recording link? So, free time or after a working hour, we can access those videos so that we can also end the classes which we missed out due to network issues, due to our timing. It's my request, humble request, if it's possible, please. Thank you.
We'll look at that part also. You know, as and when recordings are available, those links will be sent to you, right? But there can be some issues in terms of sort of whether a particular recording is is edited or not edited, or it is useful or not. There will be some issues on that, but we'll sort out some issues like that and see. Yeah, Soumya. Yeah, thank you, Nanda. Yeah, Soumya, please go ahead. Soumya is now not the Soumya Srivastav. She has been able to do it. Soumya here, I'm asking her to unmute, and she has raised her hand. Yeah. Okay. It seems that she is having some challenge in connection. Mr. Asif Raja is here. He has not raised hand, but I would like him to come forward and introduce himself.
Pleasure, sir. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. This is Mohammad Asif Raza, and I work in Vivo as a zone team manager. And for past 3.5 years, I'm working in this Vivo and in this training and development industry, and looking forward to improvise my learning skills along with all of you. And basically, I belongs to the Jaipur chapter, and but that's why I joined in Delhi chapter also.
Okay. Soumya is facing some problem in unmuting and some network issue. Okay, we should get some other opportunity to bring you in. Okay, right. Amreen Khan, yeah. Can we have you?
Good morning, sir. I am Amreen. I am from Delhi chapter. I am basically from aviation and hospitality industry, and I have been into learning and development for past 10 years. I have been working as a freelance soft skills and behavioral trainer. I also do communication training, and I have joined this course to basically upgrade my training skills and to learn learn new things in the training fraternity. So that's my basically the goal to join this course.
Right. Welcome. Welcome. Now, many people have not raised their hand. So whatever I can figure out, those people who have not been introduced. Ravinder Bamraha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ravinder Kaur, and I'm CELTA certified. After that, I became an English language trainer in Hindustan Science Learning Centers. Prior to that, I've done MBA. So after doing English language training, I wanted to move ahead in the field of training and development. That's why I've joined this course. Yeah.
Okay, welcome. Vidyut Gautam. Vidyut Gautam, please unmute yourself. Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Vidyut Gautam is not, you are not unmuted.
Delhi chapter ही है.
Okay, Ranjita Chanu Khadam has raised hand. Okay, please go ahead, Ranjita. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. So,
good morning.
I'm from Delhi chapter. I have been in the aviation and hospitality industry for 15 years, and it's been 1 year in training. So I'm basically a aviation trainer and soft skill trainer, and I have worked with many aviation institutes, and I do conduct freelancing as well for personality development and soft skill, and I'm a certified soft skill and image consultant. So my journey of training started when my airline got shut down in 2019, Jet Airways. I think many might have heard it. Yes. So it's been a passion for me. I discovered my passion in training since then. And it's been a beautiful journey. And I was surfing on the Google about where is the best training institute in India. So I found out ISUT. And this is how I came to this institute. And it's been a beautiful journey till now. And I have attended, since the training has started, I've attended Bangalore chapter, Kolkata chapter, and Chennai chapter. I've been hopping here and there. And I'm very glad finally Delhi has started. So thank you, everyone, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. Welcome. Sakshi Khurana.
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Sakshi, and I believe I'm the youngest over here. And
yes, okay.
So I belong from the field of psychology. I am myself a psychologist, and professionally, I have already moved into the training department. I am preparing all the personality tests and everything. But yeah, giving the trainings and like working on how to make such training modules and all of it, I really wanted to know academically how these things are done. So I interacted with a lot of alumni of ISTD on LinkedIn. Like I think I know everyone almost. So I am looking forward for myself being an alumni of this place. And giving others
good.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Right. Yeah, welcome. Thank you. Welcome. Okay. Are there anybody who is left out, who has not been introduced? Because I'm, yeah. Praveen, have you? Yeah.
Good morning, sir, and everybody.
Yeah, please go ahead.
My name is Praveen Dubey. I'm online from Gorakhpur. I'm from Delhi chapter, and I'm a hospitality and aviation professional since last 19 years. And my educational qualification is a hotel management graduate and MBA in operation management. Along with that, I have certified NABOSH for occupational health and safety. And since last like 6 years, I am a departmental trainer. And but I believe that being a departmental trainer is something different, and being a core training and development professional is something else. You need to enhance yourself a lot to being a core training and development professional. And keeping this in mind, I enrolled myself in ISTD. So looking forward to a great learning opportunity with trainers and other participants. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. Welcome. Thank you very much. Welcome. Right. I think broadly we have covered everyone. I don't see any hands raised right now. So I would welcome all of you, and you know, of course, many others who have not come here right now may also join in and all that, and will be very much enriched by your being a student of ISTD diploma. You are going to get enriched by what our faculty shares with you, but we are also enriched by your presence or your contribution to this. As I said, you know, this society is yours. You know, anyone who is into training and development can become a member, full-time member also, life member also, and that's how you take it forward. It's your you know, one place from where you can contribute to, and you can get a lot from in developing yourself as a training and development professional. Right. So towards the, we will conclude here, but towards the end, I would like to invite Dr. Joshi also to say a few things. If you got this, you see you anyway understand the whole variety, the length and breadth of the students. Any thoughts, anything that you would like to say on the type of issues which have come up here, right? Okay, maybe in that case, I'll request Mr. Jain to conclude the today's session now. Say a few words, towards conclusion.
I'm very much delighted to see the students from all India, and they are seeing that they are having good experience and they are working in large organizations. So I once again welcome them to this ISTD. Only thing I would request everybody, for the convenience of our Arun Kumar, put the attendance of everybody. Please mention your roll number or registration number with your name, so that Mr. Arun can maintain your attendance, because he has to submit the attendance to the diploma board. So your name and your registration number is must while you are attending the classes. Your attendance is going to the diploma board, diploma department of ISTD. Otherwise, it's very difficult for him to keep the track of 50-60 people every day. So this is my suggestion. I would request Mr. Joshi to conclude, please.
Before Mr. Joshi says, I would just read out, because Soumya was not able to connect because of the network problem. She is writing that, good morning, sir. I'm Soumya. I have been in L&D space for more than 10 years in the area of leadership and behavioral development. Joined ISTD for learning more and structuring my understanding of training and development in the right direction. So thank you. Right. So thank you, Soumya. We'll see. I'm sure that you will be able to overcome your challenge of network connection and all that, right? And okay. So thank you. Right, Dr. Joshi. Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Kaushal, Mr. Jain. In fact, it was a very, very interesting session indeed. And thanks everyone for sharing your backgrounds, your interests, your aspirations, your expectations from the course. And in fact, I was most impressed with Mr. Sumendra Suman, who has motivated so many of his colleagues to join this course. So special thanks to Mr. Sumendra. And in fact, we definitely, we indeed are grateful to such people who not only take interest themselves, but really encourage the colleagues for doing a course. For me, it is a revelation. I've never met a person who has encouraged his colleagues like that. So my special thanks to you. And really, I will look forward.
Motivated by our boss, Mr. Muralidhar Kekula. Actually, he imposed around 7 of the trainers from Himalayan Baby Care have joined.
Okay.
My boss, Mr. Muralidhar Kekula.
I will surely like to talk to your boss also.
Yeah.
You can convey my greetings and my best wishes to him, because we need such people, because the training profession somehow is a bit neglected when you compare it with marketing, because marketing gives dividends very early, and training, it takes time. When we talk about ROI, so it takes time to deliver. Sometimes it takes a very, very long time. So trainer has a harder and arduous task to deliver. So you all are in a challenging field, but the kind of learning experience you have, and the backgrounds all of you have, the core HR people, it is really heartening to all of us. And we are happy that you all form a very, very interesting batch. My best wishes to all of you. And one more just caution I would like to give you, because sometimes what happens, if my delivery is not up to the mark, sometimes my people sometimes are not able to come up to your expectations. It happens. Sometimes if you have a 20-25 years of experience, you come up with lot of high expectations, and somehow you feel कि ये तो मुझे आता है, इसमें नया क्या है? But at the same time, you should also agree that we have freshers who have only 4-5 years of experience. Because for me, the bandwidth is very wide. So far as you people are concerned, my bandwidth is very high. So for my faculty, sometimes it becomes difficult to accommodate all of them. So those of you who are senior, who know, should share their knowledge and experience with their juniors also.
Right.
We will of course try to come up to the expectations of every one of you, but sometimes if it is not so, you please cooperate with us. You please guide us. The seniors, I expect them to guide us, to share their experiences, to share their learnings. People from Army, 30 years of experience, and the kind of terrain they work with, the kind of duties they do. It is, the Army guys, there is no match. Today, both, whether it is Pakistan or China, everyone is, taking a back seat, because they know the courage and the kind of training. And Army people always lead from the front, because the kind of training, arduous training they have undergone, raises the level the world over. We all know. So people are fortunate that we have such colleagues amongst us who can also guide us, we can enrich from their valuable experience. It will be mutual learning other than the learning from our faculty members. So make this experience worthwhile, meaningful, purposeful, and all the very best to you. In case of any problem, Mr. Raghu Raman is there, who is coordinating at the national office. We have 3 staff, Meenakshi and Sarita, and we will be sharing the numbers also in case of the you have not received the material. I hope everyone has received the material. If you have not received, please share it with me. And any kind of small problem, big problem, whatever it is you are facing, any difficulty, share your feelings with us, and we will come up to you. We will try to catch up and issue and resolve the issues, and hope that it is a great learning experience for all of you. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining.
Right. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone, for sparing this time. You learned about each other also. You learned about, some of us also. And so we'll take it forward, right? So I'll meet you at 12 o'clock. So we have a break. Enjoy a cup of tea. I'm sorry, we can't provide you the cup of tea. You'll have to go and make it yourself, or your family members will do it, right? So we'll have this. Our sessions are typically going to be about 1.5 hours long, but then you get a half an hour of break. And then all the sessions are not for 83rd batch. There will be for 83rd, 82nd, 81st batch. So there will be distribution. This will try to see that it is a very comfortable, way in which you can really sort of, continue your learning. Yeah, Priyanka Sharma has raised the hand. Would you like to say something? You had certainly introduced yourself or not? Yeah.
For the Delhi batch, will all the classes be on Sunday? Because I have to work the whole day on Saturday.
See, preference, from the Google form that I had done the survey was that 63% people said only on Sunday, right? So we will try to keep it mostly on Sunday, but I cannot say it will always be only on Sunday. So you can see the slant that I have, right? Okay, we'll try to keep it largely on Sunday, but we might be constrained because of the availability of the faculty and also availability of the slots and all that to keep some of the sessions on Saturday also, right? Okay, so shall we close it? Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, Mr. Mukesh Jain, and thank you, Dr. Joshi. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. See you.
Okay, let's close it.
All
Right
the
now.
best. Happy learning.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this session.
Thank you.
Bye.
Right. Right. Alok, you can close the meeting now. Okay. Thank you, Alok, and thank you, Arun.
Thank you, Alok. Thank you, Arun.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Closing now.